Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox Belle Tress Alexandria, heat friendly of course, in the color Sumptuous Strawberry. I purchased this with my own funds from Wig Studio One. Alright, so Alexandria is part of the Cafe collection. So I thought we would just unbox this together. This is how it comes. Oh, okay. Look at these beautiful curls. I've seen a couple reviews on this, so I ordered it and I thought it'd be fun for us just to unbox together. This color, I love Sumptuous Strawberry. I think it is such a beautiful color. All right, look at all these waves. How pretty. Oh gosh. More beachy waves. Now y'all, I have fallen in love with the beachy waves. There for a while, I didn't know if they were for me. Once I started wearing them, I fell in love with them. Now I see why everyone else likes them. And of course, Belle Tress does some beautiful ones. Let's try this on. I'm going to give it a little shake. Loosen up those curls a little bit. Oh, okay, this is a good fit. Sometimes Belle Tress runs a little large on me. Oh wow, look at all these curls. I love it. But this has a really good fit. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference and this fits me perfectly. I would not have to make any adjustment at all. Oh wow, I love all these waves, all these curls. These aren't waves, these are full-blown curls. How fun. If you're looking for a curly style, have a look at this. These are really deconstructed, right? Deconstructed waves that has very blunt ends on here. Look at these ends. They're very, very blunt. Just a really pretty, carefree, throw on and go style. Okay, there's not a lot of permatease in this wig. There's some at the nape, I feel. Not a huge amount, really. Low density. Let me slip it off one more time and let's look at the inside of the cap. I want to show you that. This has an extended lace front, a mono part. Make sure you get a good look at that. It's open wefted, has these closed felt ear tabs, extended felt nape, and it has pull adjusters. And like I said, this was really a good fit on me, so I like that. I don't have to really adjust it any, if that helps you any with my head circumference. But just look how easy this is. Throw on and go. Enjoy these fun waves. Beautiful lace front. Let me show you this lace front up close so you can get a good look at that. Really nicely done. Here's my bow hair right there and right there. The lace comes all the way down to here, extended lace front. You could spray this with a little water if you wanted, just to loosen these waves up a little, define them a little if you like. Put some product in there. Oh gosh, this really is really cute. Now, the sides of this are coming in at 9 inches. The nape is 5 inches on this one, so it has an overall length of 9 to 12. This is just adorable. All right, let's talk about this color. I love Sumptuous Strawberry. I have reviewed it many times. You've seen me review it many a time. So it has all this pure red running through there, some strawberry blonde, honey, some copper undertones. Then it has this medium brown rooting, which is not overdone in any way. Just a beautiful, beautiful, this has a lot of copper in it, in my opinion. I like the copper that runs through this wig. They got it right with this color.